I've worked and lived in London, in Los Angeles, and in all of those places, there were always instances of seeing a red campion that burst through a crack in the pavement,
Mm.
or a nettle, or a burdock. And you think, and you look at it, just in a bit of paving in the middle of Ealing in West London, and you're
Mm.
like, if we fix it in inverted commas, by spraying it with weed killer, or somebody comes along with a hoe, the red campion and nettle disappear. But if we were to leave it, very, very quickly, it would start consuming and breaking up that concrete. I think it doesn't matter where we are or how much we think we can suppress the powers of the natural world. It has the ability and the tenacity to break through it at any point. And if we stem it, hold it back, it remains at bay. But once we neglect our structures,
Mm.
nature very quickly comes back and goes, girl,
Yeah.
oh, I'm always here.